かりました。
Harigo, Monish and Kaiser also joined.
Okay, okay.
I think we'll get started.
Okay, shall we start? Oh,
Yes, yes.
let someone start recording and yeah, okay, you?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. じゃあ、スタートしましょうか。Okay, shall we start?
Yes, Harigo. Yes, we
Okay.
can.
Okay. So thank you for coming to the demonstration of the JP OMS. It will be presented by Miki, who is in charge of order processing for all the products, especially on from ecom, the oligo sequencing and GSY. So today Miki will demonstrate order processing with a movie, and she will add the explanations. And after that, I will translate her descriptions into Japanese. And sorry, into English. And so, if you have any questions in between, please stop me from the explanation, and I will accept your questions, and ask it to Mickey, and yeah, I will reply to you in English by translation.
Sure.
Okay, so uh, uh, ちょっと待ってもらっていいですか、すみません。Just a moment, please. I have to prepare something on the different computer.
Sure.
Okay. 少々お待ちください。Just a moment, please. Ah, お待たせしました。すみません。じゃあ、南條さん、よろしくお願いします。
今、画面で共有できてますか？
Can you see the screen? Everyone?
Yes, Harigo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So we can-
Okay, thank you. みんな見えてるそうです。じゃあ、それで進めてください。はい。
基本的には、インコムで注文したもので、自動で入らなかったものが、この振り分けに入ってきます。で、カテゴリーが分かれていて、それぞれ、自動で入れられないものが一旦ここで止まります。新規だったりとか、なんか理由があるものです。
了解です。じゃあ、ちょっと、私の方で説明します。So this is the preview application to watch all orders on the staging database, and some orders cannot be proceeded because of something like the user is quite new, or something to be reviewed.
いじこうとか。
Yeah, like a note, special note in the production comment. So we can receive the list of orders in this application based on the staging database. じゃあ進めてください。
ここで担当者にして、ということで、こっちの大きな画面なのが、受注管理です。 こちらに取り込みます。
OK。じゃあちょっと前の画面に戻ってもらっていいですか？振り分けの方。
振り分け。はい。
はい。Okay, this application, in this application, the a person who is in charge of order processing will be assigned like this. The lists are names of a person to process an order, and after the person is selected like this. じゃあすいません。ちょっともう一度すいません。And after that, the order is imported into all JP OMS like this. And so this is the screen of JP OMS. There are a lot of fields and categories. So the Mickey will process an order after this this information is all the information is fixed. じゃあ、まずここから注文あれですよね。必要なところをフィックスさせて進めるっていう感じですよね。
で、さっき名前を、振り分けで名前をつけたので、
はい、
この e コム取り込みから
うん
3を押すと取り込みが、私の名前がついた注文だけが出てきます。
うん。これを取り込んで。So this is the order details which are imported by our person in charge. So this is shown only the a person to be assigned. So in this case, the Miki-san is assigned, and only she can check this order and process. で、すみません。これで、これの状態って一回、あれですね、注文を南條さんの名前で取り込んで、で、
はい
これから次は
ちょっと取り込みますね。
取り込む。Now
で
importing the order. Okay? はい。
これは代理店の情報ですね。
どこかな代理店か。Okay. This is the billing information, especially for us. This is an agent. So agent name is listed on the right side, and the left side the order information is shown with what other information like the special note and shipping data and so on.
These agents are same as those ones in the e-com, right?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, すみません、ちょっと止まってもらっていいですか？
はい。
Yeah. So the left
左側は注文情報です。
left side is the order information, and assigned agent is in the order information, and at the middle of the window, the 24350 and 234, that is sold by ID. So sold by ID is in the database, local system. Then the name, so assigned agent is listed up on the right side.
Sold by ID is this one, right? In totally right side.
Yes, sold by.
240.
Yes.
Okay.
So automatically assigned with the an agent in the local database.
Okay.
はい。OK。で、次に、これは別にいいですよね。注文処理請求する。はい。
ここが価格です。
Next, price. Price. And this is a price table for なんだっけ、全部か。オリゴス because this is on oligo order, custom DNA oligo. Yeah. So the base purification. Okay. So each of tabs have a price table. So this table is for DLP, and the left tab is for the number of base and purification. And so yeah, you can see the purification way like salt-free, OPC, HPLC, PAGE, and 6 to 49, 6 to 35, 49. So those numbers are for base lengths. And the yen currency shows the prices, and all the prices price has two types. So agent price and direct sales price. So left side is for agent, and the right side is for end user prices. And あれ右側って何ですかね生成価格。
1円、生成料金が別でかかるので、1本。
ああ、なるほど。生成料金ですね。あ、了解です。すいません。Okay, on the right side, it's a purification price. The purification price is based on a kind of purification. So salt-free OPC, HPLC, PAGE, and salt-free 10 nanomole, 10 nanomole, and OPC 1, as it is written, and PCDD and HTS. So those have a unit price of purification.
Rego, this is a production order or a UAT order, Rego?
これってプロダクションで、本番環境ですか？違い
今
ます。
本番です。
This is our production.
Okay.
で、あれですね、右上にあるのがレート、代理店価格レート。
はい、ここは、
ここはなんかグレーアウトされてるけど。
はい、取り込みの時には関係ないです。いじれません。
そう、これ全部いじれない感じですよね。
いじれないです。取り込みの時はいじれない。確認できるだけです。
じゃあ、今の段階っていじる段階になってないってことは、まず取り込まれてないってことですか？
で、価格テーブルは、オリゴ顧客管理に設定をして、取り込みは取り込みで別で動いているので、で、今開いているのは、中身を開いただけです。確認をしただけです。閲覧のみ。
了解です。じゃあ、ここで今やろうとしていることは、まず中身を確認していること？
そうですね。こういうものが紐づいてますというので開いただけです。
すいません。わかりました。じゃあ、ちょっと閉じて一回私で説明します。So this is the only the purpose is to check the price and the agent connected to the database information. So they are only they are read only and cannot be edited in this process. So after that, she will adjust all the fields appropriately. で、今何やってんのかなこれは。
Rego, what does that previous screen denote? Those tree structure diagrams.
Tree structure diagram. This one?
Not this one, Rego. The tree flow diagram which we saw just now. What does that contain?
ちょっとすみません、南條さん、少し戻ってもらっていいですか？
はい。戻るというのは、注文の取り込みかな？
そうですね。Is this one? Is this the one?
No, Rego. There was one more screen where we saw some data in tree format. Just now when a database loading operation was happening.
もうちょっと先ですね。じゃあ。ちょっとかな。価格テーブルの。Price table? So I cannot understand what kind of diagram is shown.
Okay, no, no problem. You continue. I'll come back later.
Sorry.
じゃあ続けますね。
はい。はい。
で、価格を選んで、次に進んで、設定はないので、次に進みます。でここで出荷先。
This is a shipment. Shipment setting and これは複数あるってことですかね。
ですね。ただ、ここは特に、今回5号希望ってないので、岡村さんなんで、これを選びます。
ちょっと待ってもらっていいですか。Okay, this query is for shipment, and she selected the appropriate shipping shipping setting. Here, the need to delivery at 10. これって22時ってことですよね。
あ、違います。
違う
10時に届けるってことです。利点は特殊な届けです。
OK. This is a arrival date at 10 a.m. by need to delivery. So she selected first list.
So Raghu, the arrival date means the order arrival date or order created date?
No, order arrival date. So means a customer will receive.
So that means
time.
order has arrived in staging DB. That arrival date is considered.
Yes, automatically calculated. 南條さん、これってステージングに入ったときにもうすでにその時間から到着時間がここで表示されてるってことですか？それとも
到着時間ではなく、
違うさっき
日10時に関しては、出荷して
うん
翌日の10時までとか、朝4時に出して当日の10時までに届けるので、出荷時間ではないです。
あれ到着時間ってことですよね。違うんです
はい。到着してです。
なので、何が言いたいかっていうと、
これは、
うん
バイク便とかと同じ感じです。
なんつうか取り込まれた時の時間でそれを出してるのか、もともともう要は締め時間
取り込まれた時間ではなくて、出荷
ごめんなさい、そうです。出荷の時間があれですよね、締め時間に合わせて、その取り込まれたときに、それが次の出荷時間に、時間がセットされて、で、到着時間が決まるって、そういうのじゃないでしたっけ？
ごめんなさい。普通のでやればよかったですかね。
特殊なの
特殊です。日通10時っていうのは、基本的に日通は着時間は指定はないです。
なるほど。
ただ、日通10時がつくと、
うん。
なので、この宅配
はいはいはい。
宅配が通常便です。
なるほど。
時間指定なし。
はい、わかりました。
で、こっちが時間指定ありの
だから特別便なんですね。
特別便です。
わかりました。で、これは特別でやるっていう前提
そうですね
があるってことですね。
もうこの施設は特別便なので、
わかりました。
出荷先を作ってあります。
すいません、わかりました。じゃあちょっとそれ説明しますね。
はい。
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm misunderstanding here. So this is a special order from a special company, and so we have to treat it as a special delivery. And she selects the need to 10 a.m. because the standard delivery cannot have a arrival date. Then this customer should receive parcel from Nitsu at 10 a.m. So the no calculation here. Just well, as when this order is placed, then the and the JP OMS imports, then she has to the an operator has to select the special delivery service here. So so the first line is means the special delivery.
So Raghu, just now the previous window, she opened a tree diagram, a tree structure, a window. That window is what I was asking just now, shortly. The previous window was a tree window.
OK, OK。ちょっと前のウィンドウを見せてもらっていいですか？なんか、3つのウィンドウ。ちょっと前ですね。少しずつ
The
戻って。
previous window, just now shortly she opened one window. There we had a tree structure. And she selected all the hierarchy was displayed in tree. Yeah, this
this
window.
one?
This one.
はい
Yeah,
はい
yeah.
はい。
Okay, this one is the one of the most important part of the
Database.
database, and so it is called Origo CRM, customer management system.
But Raghu, if we understood the CRM is discontinued, so is JP maintaining a separate CRM here?
Okay, this is completely different from the what so-called CRM, because the CRM is connected with ecom and the local system. But this is only in the local and managed by the Japan team only. So this is a completely special database managed by JP site.
So this database resides in the local systems, not on any network or clouds.
No, just only here in the local system connected to other systems, but only this is connected only to the JP OMS.
And what are we reading here?
So this database has sold to and sold by IDs and also customers here. So this is a property for a customer, and the customer information is in this property. This window has なんだこれ、web. This is web login ID. Yeah, web login. The Chikako Okamura, and the other has address and the billing, shipping, and Origo information. So this is a address.
So
Address information.
this Sol2 has this address, and the Sol2 ID also is present here.
Yes, Salt ID is not managed here, but this database has all. This database has all the information, not only customer information, but also sold to and sold by information. So all connected to this database. And regarding sold to ID and sold by ID, they are they are in a different database, which is what which is called new CRM, which is not connected to the internet at all.
And the database resides in this server, right? JP02PCC0015.
Sorry, I don't know the server's name
Okay.
here.
No.
Sorry, because no. Mm. サーバーの名前とかわかんないですよね。
サーバーの名前。ちょっとわかんないですね。
Sorry, so no, we cannot find any source.
No problem. No, carry on.
Okay, so there's one main database in addition to this database, but this database manage all the information, and so each of customers has a agent, and then that connection is also managed in this database here. で、すいません。これで今、これ今どこの段階ですかね。
これ、取り込みしても、取り込みに戻りますか？
今の本物の、ムービーと本物の見分けですかね。今見てるのと本物の、
本物の実際の取り込みを今、1件やってる
あ
途中で。
なるほど。どうしよう。ちょっとよくわかんなくなってきたな。映像の方の進める形に戻りますか、じゃあ。
じゃあ、これ取り込みに1回戻りますね。
これ取り込みに。はい。Okay, let's process an order in
Yes,
JP OMS. This is a datasheet label name is input in this field, and also the arrival date. Arrival day like Saturday, holiday, and Sunday. So upper checkbox is for Saturday arrival, and the next checkbox is for Sunday and holiday arrival. So if a customer want to get the receiver parcel on holiday day, then in the process of checkout they are checked, and this setting has the this this setting has the same set of the checkout.
So Raghu, here we are looking at ecom order, right?
Yes, ecom order, yes.
So customer has placed an order on ecom and the order has reached staging database.
Yes,
And the operator has picked that order from staging DB and loaded in JP OMS.
yes, that's process.
次へ行きますね。
はい。
で、注文内容が見れます。
This is the content of order, order details.
So we are not loading the whole order XML here, right? Just hardly what is required that is being loaded.
これでオーダー全部読み込んでるんですよね。
はい、これは、はい、1本しかなかったので、今回の注文は。
Okay, so this window has all the orders, but in this case, this has only one item, so not so long line. But this window can show all the orders, including customer information, shipping information, and so checkout information. So on the right side, the details can be seen. すみません。これって右側に今製品の名前と、サンプル名と、配列があって、これがあれですよね。その注文の内容をそのままここに。
そのまま表示されてます。
Okay, so the different from left side, on the right side, each of fields is shown as it is the sample name, sequence, and 5' prime designator, and internal and third and 3' and delivery format and so on. So yeah, it's completely same as left side, but each field has appropriate value based on the left side information. So it's easy to figure out what is the name and what is the sequence and scale and purification. And so all the details can be checked on the right window as the left window has.
And the data on the center panel is sold to IDs? Blue and green.
At the top it's customer ID, and in the middle it's billing ID, and same as sold by, because this is an agent order. Agent user. So billing to is an agent. So agent information is in the middle. And last one is shipping information. So これ出荷先の番号って何でしたっけ？ 54914って。これ全部なんか一緒。
顧客番号です。
あれですね、オリゴの方ですね。
これですね。
はいはい。これってオリゴ顧客管理になるやつですよね。
そうです。ここ
はい。
の番号はオリゴ顧客管理の番号です。これもそう。
はい、わかりました。the number 54914 means the customer ID managed by the Origo CRM. So completely different from other numbers from ecom side. So this number is managed in this database only. すみません。ちょっと前の画面で、はい、この画面です。で、at the last one, regarding shipping information, and it has, what? なんだこれ。ship address. Ship address only. Yeah. So the a person who orders here and billing information and shipping information. So three information is listed in the middle of the window. で、次はこれで、
これで
まあ、
問題がなければ、
はい、内容を確認して、で、この画面に戻る。
取り込まれます。
So after checking all the important information from the previous window, then all the information are imported into JP OMS.
So Raghu, I have one question here.
Okay.
Let's say we will place an e-com order. So since this is production, we can anyway cancel the order which are placed.
Oh.
So I would like to place a production order and see how it is reading in JP OMS and how the data flows. Just before processing, I would like to cancel the order and see the status back in ecom.
これって取り込む前にキャンセルできるんですか？
取り込む前のキャンセルをしても、ウェブ上に反映されないので、取り込んでからキャンセルします。
わかりました。Amit, so the data flow is not, I don't know the data flow here because just we can understand the flow on the application side only. And when you want to cancel an order, the order should be imported onto JP OMS because on before it is imported to the JP OMS, it is not reflected on ecom side. So after it is imported to JP OMS, then the JP OMS can control everything. And if it is cancelled on JP OMS, then the action is reflected onto ecom side as well through.
What I mean to say is when we place an ecom order from that stage to JP OMS loading stage, we would like to know one flow as well. So let's say Khizer will go ahead and place a PCR ready primer. So once he places an order, we would like to see how it is loaded in JP OMS and how it is processed from there.
Oh, how means
so let's say when during the ecom releases, Khizer places some 5 or 6 orders and we share you the order numbers and you cancel them.
Yeah.
So that flow as well, along with the dummy order also, we would like to place and check the flow from the staging DB to staging this JPOMS, and from here to Golems, how it processes that flow as well. We would like to know.
So on the staging database, nothing is controlled. Just after the data is imported onto JPOMS, then the operators can control the order. And so
Mickey is an operator, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. In that case, can we place a production order right now?
Yes, of course. So this is not the processed yet, and after she input the all the information, because this order has is something different from usual order. So when the note is input by a user, then the order is should be reviewed in the JP OMS like this. So she's checking all the fields here, and after she completes this order through all the information, and then she will process this order to the next. So to the next means this is an oligo order. So this will be transferred to Gorimus by when she the what the select the transfer button here.
Okay. In that case, can we place an ecom order room?
Oh, yes, of course. So
Uh,
for example, when something is released on production and the Kaiser places an order to test, and then so the Mickey will check the order on staging database, and she imports the order to JP OMS like this, and then she will cancel the order somehow, or if this order should be processed to Gorimus, then she has to do something like price change like zero, not to be invoiced, and if only transfer what the this order information should be transferred to Gonimus, then she will treat it as a test order, and after it's completed, then she will transfer it to Gonimus.
all right. Now, Khizar, can you place one production order? PCR ready.
Now,
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
南條さん、オリゴの、オリゴじゃない。インドからの注文って、とりあえず本番でも止まるようになってるんですよね。
はい。
はい。
アカウント紐付けてないので、新規で止まる。
わかりました。はい。Okay, Kaiser, you can proceed with it.
Okay. Khizar, present your screen and place one PCR ready.
なんだろう、本番でやる気なのかな。まあいいや。
PC レディ入れるってことですか？
はいはいはい。And we proceed with this order.
Yes, Raghu. Yes, Raghu. Yes.
進めていいそうです。
はい。ちょっと今回、これ、利権なので、受け所までいけないんですよ。なので、ちょっともう一件、バッと入れちゃっていいですか？
はい。
はい。
これ本物？本物。
本番です。
はい。This is a production. Yeah. This is a Kyoto University order. From Kyoto University is still what a customer. で、
今回3本なので、
okay.
3本。
These are 3 items in the list on the right, and each has a special price in the middle, 300 yen, and then next to it the 270. This is agent price, and then the MEL means March, and so 20. Okay. On the downside, the details of an item. Yeah. So each of items has these details.
For these are oligos, is it? Raghu?
Yes, standard oligo, custom oligo here.
So well column is there, so that has NA. That means these are tube.
これ植えるっていうのは、これはチューブだから普通に。
あ、そうです。チューブだからです。
Okay, because this is tube oligo, then the well has NA, not not available.
Okay, okay.
Okay, yeah. じ
大
ゃあ、
体
はい、次に進みましょう。Yes, we will proceed with it. So this このなんだっけ、星マークが今取り込んだってことなのかな。
更新ボタンです。取り込んだ情報を。
わかりました。This star icon, yellow star icon is functionality to reload an order. Then so read order is updated by pushing the clicking the yellow star button. Okay, then これ2つあるの上は
これは、さっきの注文。まだ終わってないので。
これでいくつか並行に進められるってことですかね。
まとめて取り込んで、で、まとめて、次々と受け証をひたすら送っていくっていう感じで。
じゃあさっきのその振り分けの時に、南條さんの担当者マークをいくつか例えば選んだら、それ全部ここに入ってくるってことですか？
そうです。効率が悪いので、良くないので、名前をいくつかつけて、まとめて取り込みをして、で、まとめて転送をして、まとめてっていうか、続けて転送作業をするときは、続けてやる。
わかりました。Okay, so the on the staging database, she selects several orders to be imported into JP OMS, and in this case, she selected 2 orders in the in this application, and so she assigns several orders with her and import them to JP OMS. So now, so she has 2 orders in the JP OMS. So 791 at the top and at the bottom 797. So she will process orders at same one by one here. So first, これ適当にやるってことですよね。上の方と下の方、それぞれに対して。
それぞれに対して、この後に受け証を送る作業。
で、わかりました。これで、なんか具体的な今作業ってあるんですか、ここでやる。
中身を確認したので、次は受け証を送ります。
Okay, so she's checking the details of orders two orders, and she confirmed all the information are okay, and then so she is going to send order confirmation email to each of them. So let's see the process.
1 second.
Okay.
So when the order was placed from ecom, it reached staging DB. From staging DB, they have to manually like input the order to JP OMS. Is it like select order and
yes,
pull it?
yeah.
It will not automatically come here.
Okay, 2 ways. So automatical way is also ongoing. So the list in the previous application show only orders which should be confirmed by her, like a review basket. So the orders which should not be confirmed by operators, then they are automatically transferred to the appropriate downstream systems like Gorims.
Okay.
So only special orders are shown in the application, and she has to check one by one by assigning the a person in charge, and so every time order comes into the staging database, the each of order is checked, and if an order has something to be checked by an operator, then they are listed in the previous application. So the orders are listed, and so every time an operator check an order by the application, and a person in charge can assign herself with an order with orders. Then she will process orders by importing them to the JP OMS like this, and the details are checked, and missing fields should be filled in by an operator. So all the information is okay. Then an operator is going to process an order to the next process, like sending an order confirmation email. So
So
now
Raghu, yeah,
okay.
this
go
is this is a special order.
Yes, special order.
So
Only
special
special
order means it is a blade order, fastmac order, or TOK order, and what we.
Okay, so B2B order is not processed here because they are automatically processed by the different, I don't know, application or something. I don't know it well, but the operators don't treat B2B order here. Only a customer's order.
Oh, okay. And how they are defining as a special order or a normal order?
Okay, so the important thing is if there are differences in the order from database record. So for example, the customer's order has different agent ID, then the customer might change to assign different sold by ID, and then so the difference is notified in system. So then it is listed for as a special order. And the second case, the production comment is input by an user, customer, and then so yeah, all the orders with product comment
Hmm?
are stopped. Stopped and listed in the application. So. And so there are lots of conditions to stop order from processing.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So here, the left side in the small window, what we are seeing 791 and 797.
Yeah. They
Okay.
are a piece of piece of order.
These both are special orders. Like these are
Yes.
supposed to be processed or not processed.
Not processed. This
Ah.
is like a review basket, review order
Ah,
page on the
okay.
ODB. Yeah,
Mhm.
so she's going to check all the information input by a customer, and by some reasons this order is stopped. So she has to check what's the reason of stopping that order. So
Okay.
南條さん、このケースってなんで止まったかっていうのはすぐわかるんですか？
これは、この、967に関しては、出荷先が複数あるから。
ああ。967ってどれ？
ごめんなさい、ウェブ番号が。
ウェブ番号967。わかりました。すみません。OK です。じゃあ説明します。次の、ついでに次のやつも。
こっちは、コロナの名称が入っていて、
いいですね。説明しやすい。
名称、
this pop-up application, Raghu, this is different.
This is the
こっちが未入力。
first application operator used to check the orders in the staging database.
Okay.
So maybe JP02 QFE, this is the staging database. So this application can connect to the staging database to check the orders.
Okay.
これ振り分けってなんで読んでんの
So-
わかんないな I think this is an application for checking orders in staging database.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
So,
don't know
Raghu,
how it's called in English.
You call it staging database only there or
Staging on database on, yeah. So staging checker.
okay.
Staging
Oh, okay.
database check.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
I know.
Raghu, shall we like process one order, like one test order, which is placed from ecom, then let's see how it comes here in this application, and then proceed with the processing. Or
南條さん、なんかやっぱりインドが一つ実際に進めてほしいオーダーを今テストオーダーで入れたいみたいなんで進めてもいいですかっていう質問です。
あ、はい。どうぞ。
Okay,
インド
Kaiser, you can do it.
okay.
プロダクションだよね。ダメだ。間違えた。はい。So Kaiser, will you do on production?
Yeah, Raghu. Like you are
Okay,
using
okay.
production only, right?
Okay,
Or
yes,
we
yes.
can go if you want UAT, I can do it on UAT also.
どっちがいいんだろうこれ、今本番でやってるから本番でも大丈夫ですよね。
キャンセルしなきゃいけなくなっちゃうんで、
じゃあそれを前提で。Kaiser, so the order will be cancelled, of course. Is it fine?
Yes, Raghu, no problem. I mean, like we need to process and we need to see how it is pushed to Golems.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
how it
So,
is reviewed, what kind of info.
yeah. So, but of course, before it is transferred, we have to stop it. So just we can process them at the last, but yeah. After the last process, we have to stop and cancel it. Okay.
Okay. No problem, Raghu. I mean,
Hmm.
yeah, okay. So shall I proceed with the checkout?
じゃあ南條さん、あれですよね、とりあえず、今のプロセスの方は進められるけど、オリゴ注文だったら、ゴリムスに行く前にキャンセルすればとりあえず大丈夫ですかね。
どのタイミングでもキャンセルはできます。取り込んだだけでもできるし、ゴリムズに送ってもすぐに合成始まるわけじゃないので、
なるほど。
お化粧を送って、ゴリムズに送って、
はい。
すぐにキャンセルっていうのもできなくはない。
わかりました。できる範囲でいいので、ちょっとじゃあ先に進められる部分までは進めてもらって、ダメなところでキャンセルしてくれれば大丈夫です。
はい。今取り込んでる注文片付けちゃってもいいんですか？
いいです、いいです。
はい。
じゃあちょっとそれ言いますね。Okay, everyone, so we will process the remaining orders in the staging database, and she will process them by on this screen. Okay, and
Okay.
after that she will import Kaiser's order.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
じゃあすいません。Okay, she will process this to order at first.
So now we have reviewed it. So everything is fine. Then we are going to okay, what is that yellow button is about to
Okay,
be?
the なんだっけ、確定ボタンを今押そうとしてました？
確認ボタンですね。
確認ボタン。ちょっと押してもらって今ですか？これ押すとどうなったの？
こう変わるぐらい。入力
これ
完了から確認完了に変わる。
確認完了。この時点ではまだ、受け書は
もいってないし、生産にデータも飛んでないです。
一応確認終了っていうことなのかな？
はい。見積もりの時とかに使うイメージですね。
なるほど。わかりました。じゃあ、とりあえず、ボタン、どのボタンだっけ？矢印の左側のボタンでしたっけ？Okay, so this is a button to confirm the order, not confirm. So this is just a what? complete checking.
Okay.
Okay, not the conformant order.
Okay.
So
When you like say complete checking, then what happens to the order? Will it go to?
she is going to send the order confirmation email to the customer.
Okay. And Ruko, can you please tell me what these radio buttons are here? Cancel is something I can understand. Okay, we select this order, and if we want to cancel, is it how? Is that what?
OK, OK。南條さん、この今の時点でキャンセルするときっていうのはどこでボタンはあるか教えてほしいそうです。これか。Everyone, this is yeah. Now the mouse arrow is on the cancel button. So the two kinds of cancel buttons. So left side is なんだこれ。単品のキャンセル。
一本だけ。はい、一本だけ。
This is a cancel for one item, and the other one, yes, this button is for all the items. 今回これ
Okay,
1本でしたっけ？
一本で。
OK。はい。OK、Kaiser?
So order item level, we are canceling in this box. I mean, checkbox is selected, and then
Yes. Checkbox, left side checkbox. It is for cancellation of order item level.
okay. And this one, Raghu, in your total screen, if you totally go to left, fully left, fully left, like yeah, here you have like 3 radio buttons,
OK.
and then there is a cancel radio button.
Which one?
Totally left, Raghu. Like
On the
see,
left panel, Revo, 151757791 on that screen. 1757797.
the order
Below
you see
star.
the orders listed here,
Below
right?
star. Below star.
OK. So now the input checking is completed. So that the first radio button means the input check.
Okay.
これ入力完了、左側のラジオボタンに入力完了っていうのがあるじゃないですか。これがまず終わって確認完了とかも次のプロセスであるんですか？
ここは、検索というか。
この入力完了しているものがリストにされる。
そうです。ここに出てくるだけで。
入力完了、確認完了っていうのは今、南條さん確認完了ボタンを押したと思うんですけど、
はい、
その確認完了したものが出てくるってことなのかな？
そうです。今この状態だと、受け書を送るときにいちいちここページ変えるのはめんどくさいので、ここで一括出るようにはなってて、
なるほど。じゃあ、
全部を送り終わったら、これを押すと、消えるというか、正しい位置に振り分けられる。
なんとなく分かった。それでいいや。じゃあ確認完了っていうのは入力完了っていうのはお客さんがただ入力したものが最初に入ってくるものがここに来るってことなのかな？
取り込み完了なだけで。
取り込み完了。わかりました。じゃあ今確認完了したので、それが確定して更新すると確認完了の方に移行するってことなのかな
？791。ね。
いいですよ。押してみてください。791。なくなった。
なくなりましたね。
で、確認完了いくと、ここに分かった。ありがとうございます。説明する。ありがとうございます。ちょっと入力完了に戻ってもらっていいですか？ So left radio buttons mean the state the orders in the status. So first radio button means just imported items which are not checked yet.
Okay.
So on this radio button, the imported items in the lower box, so 770, 779, 7780, all the orders are shown. They are not yet checked. So just import it to JP OMS. And just すみません、次のラジオボタン。The next radio button is for orders which are already checked by an operator, and so these items have the red dot in the icon, and that means this is already checked by an operator. So the input is all okay. So and these items can be in the process of order confirmation email. So the operators will send an order confirmation email to each of these these orders.
Okay. So
Mm.
is it a mandatory step to send order confirmation mail after this checking?
Yes. Order confirmation email is mandatory to be done.
Okay. So I think during our UAT testing, once we were not receiving these emails in UAT. I think those are the emails which are sent from here.
Yes. Yeah. So on ecom, all the emails are sent automatically. But in JP OMS, each of orders must be sent by manual,
Okay.
one by one by an operator.
Okay.
で、すいません。wait a moment. なんていうの、これって、ただ取り込みで止まったやつだけが、そのオーダー、その受け書メールを一つずつ出さなきゃいけないと思うんですけど、
そうです。
はい。
はい。
止まってないやつは、なんだっけ、データ転
受け書まで全部自動で入ります。
わかりました。
はい
了解です。で、これって本当に、一個ずつセレクトし、次に進めなきゃいけないってことなんですよね。
はい。
わかりました。じゃあ、ちょっと
こ。れは、もう、見積もりなのでやらないけど、これは1個、次進んでるのも大丈夫ですか？
はい、わかりました。じゃあ、お願いします。She's going to send us order confirmation email.
いや、違います。
違うの何？
生産にデータを転送します。ゴーリムズ転送。
あれこれ見積もりだから、なんか、受け書メールってどの段階で出したことになるのかな？確認ボタンを押したところで出してる。違う。
確認をする、データ転送する、受け書を送る。
そうか、順番が逆だった。データ転送してから受け書メールを送るってことですね。ごめんなさい、間違えました。Sorry everyone, I misunderstood the process. So firstly, she checked all the information, and next, all the checked orders will be transferred to the columns in the case of oligo order.
Okay.
And the next step, she is going to send an order confirmation email.
Okay. When we click this, this red button.
Yes.
You told that once the checking is done, this folder's.
Yeah. So the green background, white arrow icon. Yeah, this one. This is to transfer data to
columns.
Yeah, columns. Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
And the next it's the light side button. It's email button. じゃあ、ありがとうございます。次の、なんだっけ。転送はもうしたんでし
利権なので、転送で終わっちゃうんです。
わかりました。はい。
なので、
Rigo, which is the email button?
今やります。
We are going to show you. We are going to show you now.
Okay.
じゃあ、すみません。じゃあ、進めてもらっていいですかね。まず、確認ボタンを押しました。 これは確認済みですと。はい。生産に転送。はい。
データを転送します。
We transfer the data to Gorillas like
Okay.
this. Okay. じゃあお願いします。
変わりました。
Ah.
ゴリラズに送られました。で、
Oh, it has been transferred. Okay.
Okay.
で、
Yeah.
次に。メール送信。Okay, this is なんだ、メール送信なしっていうのはなしで終わるってことなのかな。
はい、基本的には使わないですけど、
Okay. So she is going to select the mail sending button at the first button. So second button is for to complete without sending an email, but it is normally used. So only she
So there are two options. We can proceed
yeah.
with email or without.
Yes. So the first button is mostly used.
Used. Okay.
Just so after the menu is selected, the template is led like this, and so customer's organization name and order details from the input data.
Okay.
これはもうなんか特別なメッセージを入れる以外はこのまま送信するんですよね。
そうですね。
これはこのままもう送信する感じですか？
はい、中身を見て、おかしいところがなければ。
じゃあ一応一さらいする感じですかね。
はい、価格が0円になってないかとか。
Okay, so after she click the mail send button, then the mail template is led, and all the order information are imported onto this template at the appropriate places. And she's checking through all the sentences and to check it is correct. And especially price. So price should not be 0 or something different. Then she checked the price mainly, and of course others are also checked slightly.
So here, where are we like giving inputs like who is the receiver and someone to put in CC?
ここって CC ってあれですよね。チェックアウトの時に入れられた CC に送信されるのかな。
はい。
そういうセッティングも持ってるってことですよね。
Okay, in this window.
はいはい、そう、通貨メールアドレス。So CC, CC is included in the to address.
Okay, so Rogo, is it that this window, what where we are seeing this CC mail, this is the window to edit this?
Yes.
Okay, so finally once all this editing is there, then we click on that email button, then all the template will be prepared and showed in that window. Then we can final check and then send it.
Yes. So 南條さん、これ今まだ送ってないですよね。
今送ってないです。キャンセルしました。一回戻りました。
どうしよう、送ります。それともあれ、じゃあ送るまでやってもらおうかな。So she's going to send this email actually. So she's checking the content of email and especially mainly checking the prices. で、最初で、where is it?
I hope you are comfortable with this because it is actual production work going on here, right?
I think she's a professional operator.
No doubt.
She doesn't make a mistake at all. あれさっきのメールはどこか行っちゃいました？
で、これで、送ると閉じます、勝手に。 送
今どうやって
信ボタンを
送ったんですか？
押したら
なんか今送るボタンを押したんですか？
送信ボタンを押しました。
送信ボタン、一番下にあるのね。
うん。
Okay, she already has pushed the send button on the email window, so it is already sent, and
Okay.
automatically it is closed.
Yeah.
Then automatically maybe BCC the same mail is sent to the email box of Eurofins, and she received an email which she's already sent. So これチェックするんですか、やっぱ？
いや、見ないです。
見ないですか。じゃあ一応じゃあ念のため一応今やってるってことですね。
はい、今開いてる。
わかりました。Okay, so the same email is sent. Just we would like to show the same email which was sent to a customer. This is not checked usually, but this just for confirmation for this demonstration. The mail we confirm the mail is correctly sent.
Yeah.
OK。じゃあ、これで一旦のプロセスを終わりってことかな。ありがとうございます。で、
テストは入れたんですかね。はい、テスト。あ。ないな。
なるほど。あとはあれか、なんかソールド2の付け替えとかやる予定だったところをやりますか？
そうですね。試しに入れて取り込みしてって言ってたのはいいんですか？
変えた Did you place an order?
No, Raghu. I'm in the checkout page. If you want, I can.
Okay, you can proceed with it. Yes,
Okay.
and we want to follow your order.
Okay. So
Yeah. We
you want me to
completed the demonstration. Yeah.
Okay. So
You've done?
yes, Raghu. I have
Okay.
done.
Okay, thank you.
若干5分から10分ぐらい遅れて入って
So the orders will be will come after couple of minutes or 5 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so maybe it takes more time than we expect. Maybe not at once. Just after a minute, it will be it will reach the staging database.
Kiza can check with that tool in the staging DB.
So usually, it takes as I mentioned, 5 minutes on average.
Okay. So Raghu, these pop-ups which we are, this is again staging DB.
Yes, staging DB checker. Yes, staging DB checker.
And now this is OMS.
Yes, so this is a checker, and behind the checker, the JP OMS.
JP OMS, okay.
Yeah. なんだこのテストオーダーっぽいけど。
これは広瀬さん。
Raghu, I just have a clarification. When you say staging DB checker, what is the parameters it will check in staging DB? As per date or as per the whole list of orders, or as per the dates orders which are placed only for today, like that? Is there any criteria that staging DB checker it works?
OK。南條さん、このステージ、その振り分けって、まだ取り込んでないデータを毎回取ってくる感じですか？
はい。取り込めてないものがここに。
取り込んで
はい。で、取り込んだものはこっちに、
うん
はい。で見られます。
入ってくるのか。じゃあ、例えば、じゃあ、まだ取り込めてないやつは、ずっと再読み込みするためにここに残って表示されるってことかな？
そう、ここにずっと、はい。
はい、
うん
わかりました。ちょっとそうやって説明してます。Amit, so the orders which are not imported to JP OMS are always listed here. So after importing an order, it has a flag or something which is already imported.
My order is in staging DB.
OK。なんかステージングに入ったそうなんですけど、それでできるのかな？
まだ来てないですね。
どういうこと？ステージングにあるけど、ここには取り込めないって、なんだろう？なんか処理してるんですかね？
ちょっとわかんないですけど、大体、
うん
ステージングにあるって言われて、
うん
振り分けに来るまでに結構時間差はあります。
ああ、なるほど。振り分けに来るのがちょっとあれか。Okay. So she said once an order reaches the staging database, the staging checker can detect the order after a couple of minutes. Maybe 5 minutes. So the order is reaches staging database at once, but to detect it, the checker it is take more time to check an order by the checker application.
So Rego, without having a staging DB checker, JPOMS will not process, or staging DB
No.
checker is the first step.
Yeah, staging checker is must be used to import an order. So JP OMS can't import the order directly from the staging database. Yeah, it comes in
309.
Yeah, 3094.
Yeah, so these
送信日
details-
OK 送信日時です。3時43分。343かなこれ。
はい、43分13。
OK. Yeah, it took about 3 or 4 minutes
Oh.
For the staging checker. 3、4分かかってますね、やっぱ。はい。じゃあちょっとこれをベースに進めましょうか。
So now we are importing it to JPOM.
Yes. So left side, the whole content of order from ecom. And on the right side, it's customer contact information here, the name.
So
登録してないので、まずはこうなります。
Okay, so this is not connected with Origo CMS local database, so it cannot be imported now. So じゃあこれはログイン名を入れるってことですかね。
受注可のログイン、顧客管理で進めてもいいですか？
はい、わかりました。
So Rego, in checker, we just see whether the order has reached. Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, then we come here and there was a, I think, button here saying ecom in JPOMS. If we click that, the latest orders will be loaded into JPOMS.
And she's now assigning your account with what local customer database.
Ah,
これってログイン名ってなんか引き継がれたんですか？なんかよくわかんないな。
今、ログイン名ではなくて、
はい。別の、
はい、じゃあログイン名引っ掛けてやりますかね。ログイン
とか別のやり方で進められるってことなんですね。その
はい。
ログイン名を。
じゃあ、ログイン名を紐付けて進めますね。じゃあ、わかりました。
あ、すいません。
So Raghu, the staging GB checker means basically it's a review basket kind.
Yes, review bus.
Because review
Yeah,
basket also wait
yeah,
for
yes,
order
yes,
to
yes, 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 review basket. So it's a kind of a filter to check the yeah, orders in the database.
Okay.
so
Yeah,
I
very,
could not understand like why that error came and what we are doing. I know you told it.
error means login ID is not connected with the local database,
Ah,
local site. Yeah, Origo CRM. And then the Origo CRM detects the order which has no login ID. So that means it is not connected with the local database. So now she's assigning your account with a login ID like Kaiser123.
okay. Mhm.
ありがとうございます。それで、はい。So it is saved.
So Raghu, yesterday in the status call we were discussing that regarding the EU dynamics for
Yeah.
customer account. So in future, if we migrate all these customer account to EU dynamics, so then the assignment will also be associated with dynamics to ODB, or how will it be?
I would like to know that as well. Yeah, because yes, in the yesterday's discussion with Tetsuya-san, the Dynamics is only for EU, and we don't have a plan to use a dynamics, and so he might find an alternate way to manage customer information apart from ecom site, and it should be synced with both of the environments. But currently the customer information will be is customer information is separated from e-commerce site. And independently, it is managed in the Origo CRM database. So I don't know how it will be in the future. じゃあすいません。ちょっと進めてもらっていいですか？
じゃあ、59539に紐付けました。
Okay, so your Kaiser's account is connected with the customer ID 59539. So this
Okay.
is a local Origo ID.
Okay. So Raghu, in what scenarios does this happen? Like, why was it missing? My account was not having this.
Yeah, just your test account is not imported on has never been imported to JP OMS before.
Okay, that means whenever a new customer comes to JP, then this happens.
Yes, you are right.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. So by this they
Oh,
can.
so please check the dot, black dot. So this means a new customer.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Yeah. So your order shows shows a new customer or at at this field. So the black dot.
okay. When a customer is new, that means what difference does it make, Raghu? Like if we have this dot, for a new customer, what are the processes which JP OMS does? For example, now if a customer is new in EU, then it will, the orders whatever the customer will place all will go to review basket, because the customer's order as well as his all the details has to be reviewed first.
Okay. So there are several review baskets on in the ODB, right? And
Correct.
in this case, this list has all kinds of review baskets. So new order comes, then the new order flag is stood and marked with black dot in the in the middle row, and the others. So there are several reasons to be reviewed. Then the other orders have something different from a new user, like product comment is input or something else. Then all the all the lists which should be treated manually come into this order, so staging checker. And one by one, each of orders will be processed manually.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth column is for new customers. If the black dot is there, then that is a new customer.
Yes. Fourth customer means those orders are from a new customer. Yes.
Okay. 5, 6, 7. Seventh column is for production comment. Is it?
5、1、2、3、4、5。南條さん、この印刷っていうのは何ですかね。7番目の列にある。
印刷を出したかどうかと、メール、これメール送信、データをメール化することもできるんですけど、それをしたかどうかなので、あんまり関係ないかな。
でも結局、ニューユーザーはまあ、チェックでわかるんですけど、他のユーザーはなんで止まったかっていうのは、その右下の。
ここのやつね。
そうか。Okay, please. So the new customer can be checked at the false row, but others can be checked why it stopped here. In the lower right corner. So so the arrow is pressed in now, and this description means no no much prepaid number, prepaid information. So so this has two prepaid numbers, S0494, so OP 3307. So usually if it has one prepaid number, then and it is already recognized by JP OMS, then it can be automatically processed. But this customer has completely different from an actual prepaid number because this field has two kinds of prepaid numbers. Then this order is stopped at the staging database.
Okay. What is this prepaid number, Raghu?
Prepaid number is
price agreement number.
Yeah, price agreement number. Sorry. So yes. Price agreement number. So she's checking. 今あれですよね。プリペイドナンバーを見てるところですよね。
そうですね。
So the prepaid number is managed in the Oligo CRM, and she's checking the actual number here. So OP3 なんだっけこれ3392かな。
3307。
07か。これをじゃあなんか入れ直すってことなんですよね。
入れ直すんではなくて、取り込みをしていくときに、これが出てくるので、これを選択して進む。
これって同じ内容が来てもまた止まるんですか？でも
止まります。ここに2つ載ってる限りは。
止まるんですね。やっぱり完全一致じゃないと進まないってことですね。
そうです。
Okay, so in this case, as I mentioned, the price なんだっけ price agreement number is input wrongly, then this order is stopped at the staging database, and she's going to select the appropriate price agreement number, then it is processed. But every time this customer places an order with price agreement number like this, every time an order from this customer is always stopped at the staging database because the field has a wrong price agreement number.
Yeah. So what do? Like you remove one of them and then.
No, just yeah. Currently, she replaced it with appropriate number and processed. So samely, on ODB, we already implemented the price agreement number field and by Monish. So the price agreement number will be input by an operator manually on the review order, and then it is inserted into order XML with correct price agreement number and process.
So so Roigo, you know what is that new solution which for instead of dynamics things are getting implemented?
I, I don't know. So this Origo CRM should be used mainly even on the internet side, but she insisted that is not possible. This is only used on the e-com side, and this should be removed after all the products migrated on to ODB order processing.
So dynamics is not going to be included for JP then.
Right.
Okay.
For now.
And Rego, since my order was identified as a new customer, and you
Yes.
had to add my login ID to to your database.
Yes. So she already input the login ID to the local local database. Like now she's search for your account. No.
Okay. In
Yes.
my account, will I see any difference?
No, on Ecom side, no change is found.
Okay.
Just on the local side, the connection information is already existing here. So after this is already set. So next order placed by Kaiser can be what? But it is stopped because it is a test user, and this must be a test user. So the new customer mark will be removed in the next order.
Okay.
Mm.
How is there any other way that system identifies that this is a test order?
なんかテストオーダーので分かるような仕組みってなんか他にあるんでしたっけ？
いや、
テストオーダーと
質問
しての紐付けをオリゴ管理でやってるってことですかね？
いや、そんなことはしてないです。
あ、そうですか。
来た注文で中身見て、
はい。
テストで書いてあるから消し
あ
ていくっていうだけで、ここで必ず止まるので、
必ず止まるって、そうか。なんか、
あと、突起事項に書いてあっても止まるので、
そうですね。
うん
これまた次も来た時に止まるけど、新規ではないから、とりあえずはここに止まるだけ。
新規の黒丸はつかないけど、紐付けてあるところに、価格がいっぱいついてたりとか、止まる理由はいくらでもあるので、自動では入らない。
なるほど。じゃあ、紐付けてなければ新規で止まるし、新規でなくなっても、その他の理由で止まるってことですね。この場合は今、突起事項に記載されてるって書いてあるけど。
そうですね。
はい。 Okay, so Kaiser, this order has product comment, then it is stopped at the staging database. And
Okay.
so connected account in staging, and sorry, Origo CRM has several shipment data. Then so it will be stopped again.
Okay. So this oligo CRM, there is separate CRM for sequencing also, is it? And the GSY.
オリゴの顧客管理って全部入ってるんですよね。
オリゴとシーケンスと人工遺伝子は、これを使っています。
あ
使っています。
ここで取り込みは別になるけど、
はい、
その、なんだ、
データベースは一つです。
わかりました。
はい。シーケンスの受注管理、GSY の受注管理、それぞれにありますが、引っ張ってきているのはここです。
めんどくさい。いや、でも通常はあれですよね。オーダーごとにその注文管理を開いて、同じように、さっきと同じように注文の内容を見て、なんだっけ、データの転送と、受け手の配信をしているとですね。
はい、それは一応録画はしましたが。
そうなんだ。さっきの注文管理でやってたやつっていうのはオリゴのやつでしたね。
はい、これはオリゴです。で、シーケンスだとこれになります。
なるほど。じゃあ、
人工遺伝子だとこれになります。
これ全部受注管理って言ってるのかな。なんか、受注管理って一つで全部オリゴのシーケンスもと思ったけど、それぞれオリゴとそれぞれの受注管理のアプリがあるってことですかね。
それぞれで違います。
ありがとうございます。Okay, everyone. The staging checker imports orders at order type. So oligo and the US oligo and sequencing and the GSY. So currently she is demonstrating an order with oligo order type. Then so this lists only oligo orders. So when she has to import orders for sequencing, then she changed the order type to sequence. And import the orders from the staging database, and then these orders with include the sequencing. And next, so this is a sequencing JP OMS. So JP OMS for sequencing. Then I think this application looks like the same as Origo, but this is processed with a different application like this. So this is only for sequencing, and so some details different from Origo because the sequencing has pickup pickup service. So not the delivery service.
Okay.
So each so several tabs in the window, and then so like GSY. So GSY is the same. So in the GSY order type, the GSY orders are listed, and next this GSY JP OMS comes and これってでも向こうでやるんですか？違うんでしたっけ？全部ここまでは受注化ですね。So the operator in charge of order processing will check all the orders of oligo sequencing and the GSY. So each GSY sequencing and GSY have different application to process an order. So this is GSY. So maybe the background color is purple. Thin purple.
I think that's checker, I think, right?
Yes,
the purple background is staging.
Okay. Yes, staging checker, yes.
So Rohigo, without see, the first step is the staging DB checker. If the order has reached the staging DB checker, we will come to know that order has been processed. Now, in
Yes.
few cases, what happens? Order will not reach staging DB. It gets stuck somewhere. How will the operator know these are the order numbers that are missing?
ああ、なかなかそうですね。OK, sure. 南條さん、オーダーが来ないっていうのはどこで感知するんでしたっけ？
やばい
よくスタックして、このオーダーは届いてないとかっていう場合、
はい、
なんか、
あれ
あれですね。なんだっけ、漏れチェック
抜け探しです、
抜け探
ね。
しだ。そう、抜け探し。Okay, so missing order checker is existing. これは Excel なんだな。This is, I think, the macro program.
Okay, Excel macro.
Yes, X macro. Yes.
Okay.
So this macro imports the orders
そう
from the staging database. これってどこに読みに行ってるかなんてわかんないですよね。
うん、そうなんですけど、まさかの抜けてますけど、いっぱい。
ね。So these orders are missing. They are not incoming to the staging database. So this has a result. Order ID and the business unit created state. Then the result. This これなんだ。リザルトに書いてあるのは
直前に書いてあるのが、ここまでが入ってるんですよ。
はいはいはい。
シーケンスの103までは入ってたんだけど、その後の104、105が見当たらない。
わかりました。なるほど。Okay, so A column is last order, the last order, which is found in the staging database. But H column means result, so they are missing orders. So so at the 268 line, the 1181 is the last order found in the staging database, and from the next order ID like 1182 to 1183. So two orders are missing. Now like that, next 1578. So it is existing in the staging database as the last. But the missing order is the next order ID. So 1579 in the H column.
Okay.
これってどうするんですか？どうするんですかね？インドに聞かなきゃダメってことですよね。
なんですけど、ちょっと10分ぐらい待ってみて、落ちてこないと、ダメなんですけど、手動で再送してもらわないといけないんですけど、
日付がおかしいのが
この時間なので、でも、
これ日付が超古い2日とかもあるんだけど、これは。
これは3日分出てきます。
なるほど。
過去3日のが出てきますね。
これって
じゃないと土曜日の分とかが見れないので、土日で抜けてたら月曜日見れない。
2日前とかですもんね。
はい。
これって、例えばこのオーダーが入ってきた、最初は入ってきませんでしたと。で、入ってきた後も
入ってくると消えます。
消えるんだ。
でも、
じゃあ確実に抜け探しを起動した時の状態でないものは抜けってことで、ここで表示される。
なんですが、エラーっぽいっすね。10113114138139143。これ全部エラーですね。
なるほど。エラーってことはステージングに落ちてこなかったエラーって、
これらですね。
これよくあるんですけど、基本的には注文されてないってことなんですか？注文されてますよね。どうなんだろう。
注文が完了できてないんだと思います。
注文完了できてない。なるほど。どういう状態なんだ。ちょっと中身はなんか、いつも見てます中身。ダメだってことだけだね。
はい、中身からってことなので。
なるほど。でもあれか、オーダー ID は発売される。
So, Raghu, those errors are generated from where actually?
From ecom side, I guess, and so the ID, order ID is already generated. However, it is what it is not actually processed at all. So mm, check this is already checked out, but I sorry, I don't know how it is placed. It is generated. In some reasons, this order is invalid and not incomes to the staging database. So as a result, the exist order ID is existing but not the staging database. ってことはこれは結局まあ何もやる必要ないってことですよ。
そうですね。はい。エラーなので。では
So those orders have an error, and not don't, should not be processed at all because these are error orders.
あ、もう閉じちゃっていいですかね。これ
Can we close this?
Yeah, Raghu, we can proceed with the order, my order. Yeah.
じゃあ、改ざんのオーダーを進めましょうか。ありがとうございます。はい。
So my order is in JP OMS or still in checker, Raghu?
Still in the checker and not proceeded, not processed yet. じゃあテストオーダーちょっと進めてもらってよいでしょうか。
Okay, so that button is for importing.
Yes. Importing. So before importing, importing, and now in the process of checking.
これ見ます。検索で引っかからない。見ます。この番号。ない。取り込まれてないので、ないです。
It is not yet imported.
Okay.
So she's going to import it. じゃあお願いします。Yes, she's proceeding with the on order processing.
で、紐付けたやつですね。
This is connected with the local account. Yeah, local account. And go next. And this is an agent information, billing to information.
ここは、
And はい、お願いします。
はい、直販にしました、ここはちょっと。
So this is she changed to the direct user, direct billing, not to agent.
Okay.
To be safe.
Okay.
いいですよ。お願いします。はい。This is the price. The two prices. So 0 and this is a test. So this has a 0 price for test. じゃあ次。で、shipping address. The first. Okay, first first one is shipping address. Input in the test order, but she's going to choose the test shipping setting.
1 second, Raghu. Where to look for the address? In the middle panel?
No address here. これなんていうんですかね。ただ名前ですよね、アドレスの。宅配とバイクと。
バイク便営業届っていう出荷の形態。
なるほど。This is a delivery format. でいいのかな Delivery type. This is a first standard delivery, and the second one is a bike delivery, and third one is will delivered by a salesperson, and the third one is 何これこれもバイク
バイ
か。
ク
This is
なんだけど種類が違う。
a different bike service, bike
Mhm.
delivery service. Yeah, there are four shipping
Options.
shipping weights options. Yes.
Mhm.
Yeah.
と、お願いできます。
So the first one is to use shipping information in order, and second one is to use setting for options
Okay,
like
so
this.
my order is not having shipping addresses.
It has, I think it has. So the if first Raja button is selected, then the shipping address Kaiser selected will be set.
Okay, okay. Then second is for method of delivery.
Yes, different delivery service will can be checked.
Okay.
Can be selected. Yeah. So these four options are in the Origo CRM database. So the different from ecom, the Origo CRM has several options to be able to be selected. Okay. じゃあ、あれ何を選びます？あ、そうか、営業送りにしないとダメですね。
ありがとうございます。
はい、ですので、はい、お願いします。
どうせすぐキャンセル。
はい。
で、はい、
This is a arrival type. So Saturday, Sunday, holiday arrival setting.
Okay. If the user has selected
check,
that.
you selected Saturday arrival.
Okay, so automatically here also it will be selected. Whatever
Yes,
user.
yes.
Okay, yeah. Please
じゃあ
proceed.
次、はい、次に行きましょう。This is an order item details.
Okay.
And you already places on on order one PCR primer, and and yes, name is test, and the sequence is like the like yes, like
All the
the same.
details.
Yes,
Yeah.
and
Modifications are there. 5 prime, 3 prime, internal. Yeah.
yes, and the length 21, and 尾行はこれノートかな。
そうです。これは、1本ずつの方の、ここです。
Okay, so this is only one item, and one item has a note. Then the note is reflected in the remarks field at the end of the window.
And Raghu, here where you see the blue line window.
Blue line
Right
window.
side top. Yeah, like
This one?
NA and PC ready name and all is given, right? PC ready.
Yes. This is
that.
product order item ID.
Okay, so this is product item level, right?
Yes,
If I had more items, so more.
Yes, this is yes. So 1-1. So item order 1 is so if you have two items ordered here, then to this shown in the light small window.
Okay. In case of mixed order, then also only oligos will be shown in this because this is oligo OMS.
Mixed order means goes
like
oligo
sequencing.
synthesis. It's okay. Sequencing and sequencing and oligo.
Correct. Yeah.
これオリゴの他の
オリゴはオリゴだけです。PC レディとかスタンダードは混ざってても全部出ますが、シーケンスは出てきません。
なるほど、わかりました。Okay, Kaiser, this is only shown, oligo items are only shown. So if mixed order is placed, then other items are not shown here. Like, so when the sequencing is added, but in this window, the sequence item is not shown. So sequence item will be shown in the sequence JP application.
Okay, so there is some split you have applied.
Yes. 南條さん、これ左側には全部のやつ出るんですかね。シーケンスが入った場合とか。
で、ポリゴだけで。
切り離されるんだ。
はい。
左側も。今のスクロールしたところも。
So, Rego, let's say even the staging DB is down. So neither ecom order can process nor JP OMS can pull the orders. So how will the JP OMS works in such cases?
Order information can be seen in the staging database checker, and she would be able to know what kind of order is placed.
So
And,
basically, staging DB checker will work only when order has reached staging DB. Now
Yeah,
let's
of course,
consider
yes.
staging DB is also down. That server has not receiving or it's not working. And
Okay.
ecom is placing orders and customer is waiting. So in such cases, JP OMS processes orders from Excel and XML.
Order XML. Okay.
Okay.
南條さん、今言ってるのは、ステージング DB にオーダーが来なかった場合の、いわゆる抜けがあって、それがいつまでも、来ない場合で、オーダー XML メールから取り込むっていうことなんですね。その場合は。
はい、来てれば。
来てれば。Yeah, Amit, so she would import order XML, so sent by email. So these are order XML emails, and yeah, so it has a order XML itself, and なんかやり方見せますこれ。
So we are covering that today also, or tomorrow we are covering that?
No, Miyaki didn't mention it when I discussed with her.
Oh, okay. So tomorrow's demo is not yet planned?
So yeah, she's preparing for it. Yes, and in today's discussion, she will prepare the whole process of order that order processing from the staging database to the end of the process, like AX invoice.
Okay, okay.
これがあれですか、取り込み方法。
取り込みますか？どう
お
するんですか？
願いします。Okay, everyone, she's going to import an order from order XML email here. So this is an email of order XML. And テストで。
じゃあ、ちょっとこれ、
はい。
これを取り込まずに、
はい。
この注文を、
オーダー
XML からいきますよ。いいですか？
はい。そうですね。So Mickey is going to import order XML from Kaiser's order.
Okay.
じゃあお願いします。それで。
これをキャンセルしますね。
はい、はい。そうか。そうすると、この同じオーダー ID で取り込むことができるってことか。あっちでプロセス、進めなければ。
そうです。で、同じのをやろうとすると、すでに入ってますって出ます。受注済みのものだと。
So new order ID only can be imported by order XML. So the same order ID cannot be imported to the JP OMS via order XML email because same ID cannot be imported.
Yeah. Okay.
Of course, yes, yeah.
Yeah.
This is natural. Okay, so it's a plugin. This is a plugin to import an order from an order XML email, and
Similar window is opened here. Okay.
yeah, similar window. これってアウトロックのプラグインみたいな感じなんですね。
そうです、アウトロックのですね。
Yeah, this is plugins on Outlook application, and she clicked the XML import plugin, and now the new window comes up, and similar window of the in the previous demonstration is shown here, and なんかプロセスは全部同じ感じなんですか？
同じですね。
Oh, the process of order is looks like the
Yes.
same. Mm,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Delivery options and all. Yes.
Yes. Oh, so the arrival,
Yeah,
Saturday arrival, yes. And the order details. So one order is listed. Oh, completely the same. This looks cool.
Yeah.
飛び込んでいいですか？
お願いします。
はい。
So she has been importing now.
Okay. Okay.
できます？できそう？
Now if we search. Okay.
Okay, so by search by order web order ID, then it is hit, and shows it shows in the window like Kaiser placed an order.
So Rego, even if we import an order via order XML or an Excel file, the order will still reach staging DB.
これってオーダーがこうステージングに入ったらどうなるんですかね？
ステージングに入ったら、そうすると、今度今、これが、こっちが残っている状態
そう
なので、
もう取り込んだ、一応取り込んだ。はい。
取り込もうとすると、
Okay. So this is already input into JP OMS. So she did the she processed she tried processing an order on just JP OMS itself, but via staging database. But it says that this order ID is already imported. Then so this is not processed. This cannot be processed anymore. ありがとうございます。でもあれですよね、振り分けには一応残ってるっていうことなのかな。
そうです。なので、これは、振り分けに入ってきたら、消します。
Okay, so this application enables an operator to delete an order on the staging database. So this delete button is then your order will be deleted from the staging database.
Okay. If it is a test order, then simple one click will delete my order from.
Yes,
process.
staging database. Yes. But already it is imported onto JP OMS, so it can be processed in a different way.
And
So,
user will be notified anything when deleted?
I don't think so. This is so she will send an order confirmation email on JP OMS, so no difference will happen. And no notification. Yeah, it is not notified of customer because it's the same process as order is imported from the staging database.
So Rego, which means if order is deleted from staging DB, is there any flag meant or the row completely removed from staging DB?
Okay. So 南條さん、これってなんだっけ、注文ステータスとかそういったところにはとりあえず影響するんですかね。これステージングから取り込んだのと同じに扱われるんですか？
で、ステータスが関わってくるのはこっちで、取り込んだ情報。
そうか。じゃあ、取り込み方は2つあるけども、取り込んだ後に関しては全部一緒ってことなのかな？
そうですね。
で、ステージングからは削除され、さっきの、アプリケーション、振り分けのアプリで削除はするけども、もう取り込んだ後なので、注文の取り扱いとしては、通常と同じになったということでいいですかね？
はい。
わかりました。So, Amit, on the staging database, it is deleted, but the order Kaiser placed was already imported onto JP OMS. So it is treated as an ordinary order because it is already imported, and the order status and so on will be reflected because the communication is always done by the JP OMS. So JP OMS detects the change and process. Then it is shared with e-com site by yeah, event XML or something.
So which means when Kaiser places a dummy order, test order do not produce. So from staging DB checker itself, it is directly removed.
Yes, right. So JPOMS importing has two ways. So the staging checker here and the order XML email. But once it is imported onto JPOMS, so it is processed as an ordinary order. But the taking an order from the staging DP must be invalid because it is already imported. So so the order in the staging database is treated as an imported order. So it's impossible to import an order from the staging database, even though it is existing there. So not to misunderstand, an operator will delete an order when the order is imported from order XML email.
Okay.
So yeah, before importing an order to JPOMS, there are two ways. But once it is imported, the other way must be stopped.
Yeah,
On the
true.
application side, on the
Correct.
application. Yeah. Okay, so let's proceed with this order.
Yeah.
じゃあ、南條さん、じゃあ、もう次かな。もうこれは内容チェック。
So here, Raghu, we have searched our order, and then what are the different tabs in this window here above? I think she's in last tab. What does each tabs tell us?
OK。南條さん、これ
Just high level, Raghu, not too deep.
OK。南條さん、そのタブって通常は一番左になって、
これは日にちごとが全部入りますね。
なるほど。これはあれか、タブごとにその
検索というか見え方が、
OK。
表示の仕方が違う。
で、じゃあちょっと通常は日付ですと。で、番号はあれかな、ウェブ注文番号違う、いろいろ番号で検索できるんだ。なるほど。で、名前はすいません、名前は
所属名。
所属名検索。なるほど。で、状況、ステータス。これはさっきと一緒ですね。
これが、はい。基本的にはこの状態は受注完了できていないので、
そのアイコンでわかるようなこと。
はい、アイコンがわかるように。
で、遅延っていうのは
これはちょっと押したくないんですよね。
わかりました。
はい。
じゃあ、ちょっと通常に戻ってもらっていいですか。Okay, so this tab can pick up the orders in condition. So first, tab has can pick up the orders by date by date. Okay. So the calendar is shown, and so if the date is changed, then the order placing date order placed on the date will be picked up.
Will be listed
It
here
is,
below.
yes. It's like a search, search functionality.
Okay.
Yeah. So yes. Next, this is a search for orders by ID. By ID and ID number. So the last one, something is web order ID, and the different ones, the different IDs. So, so OEM 番号ってあれですかね。
OEM 番号は、
購入
購入管理
番号。
番号。はい。
Okay, OEM means PO number.
Okay. Is it that the PCN which user and purchase control number?
Yes.
User
User input. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So automatically generated ID is only order ID. So yes. So you input test order.
Correct. Yeah.
In the PO number field, then she can search it with keyword test order in the purchase order number field.
Okay. Yeah.
And the next name. So name can enable the an operator to search for orders with organization name, first name or last name, any names in the customer information.
Okay.
The next status, the
Okay. Okay.
and this is so this is already explained before. So this means just imported orders and
Correct.
not yet checked.
Yeah.
So each radio button shows orders which in the appropriate state
But
status.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. The first one is like not checked yet. Second one for checked.
Yes.
Yeah.
So otherwise, already transferred to Gorims.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So and the icon is each order has an icon. So this transfer icon is shown. And
Yeah.
So
And the cancel radio button is for canceling.
cancel.
重たいんだよね。
No, she doesn't like to select this because it makes the application unstable.
Oh, okay.
But it will show the application items. No, it's cancel items which are already canceled. こうキャンセルされたものが全部出るってイメージでいいですか？
そうですね。なので重たいんです。
でも
You don't have to select logo.
今までのが全部出るってこと？
そう
だから重い。
と。はい。
So the cancel red button will show all the orders which are already canceled. So it will gather lots of cancel orders.
Okay.
So it makes the application very unstable.
And below both the radio buttons, logo, there are two more.
なんか全部で営業確認と遅延未処理。
遅延はこれは今多分出てこないですね。
Okay, so this last radio button is orders which are delayed.
Oh, okay.
How will it come to know?
これって遅延が発生した時っていうのはなんか遅延の納期をなんか
遅延の連絡が来ます、メールで。
遅延処理をする。
遅延処理をする。
ロジから来るってことですね。
そうですね。処理してないものがここに残ってると、バーっと、今は何もないですけど。
そうか。ってことは、これはちょっとシミュレートすると、生産でなんか処理してるときに、なんだろう、遅延が
合成ができなかった、うまくいかなかったっていう場合に、連絡が。
わかりました。 Okay, so this button will show the delayed orders, and that will show when the what uh, production process is delayed, and it is not processed as it is planned, and so the logistics system will send an email regarding delay. Then if delay happens, operator in charge of order processing the ma- make it change the status to the delayed, and the delay email will be sent. そう、これで遅延処理すると、その遅延のメール、お客さんに届くってことですかね。
はい、お客さんに遅延のメールを送ります。ここで、日付とかいろいろ処理する。
Okay, now so the delayed order is shown. Then the operator will input what the final shipping date, expected shipping date, new shipping date. ここで新しい出荷の日付を入れるってことですか？
そうですね。まあ、出荷は、ロジさんの方で入れてくれたデータが来ます。
なるほど。新しいデータは、わかりました。じゃあ自動
はい
的に来るって
自動
こと
的に日付は、
ん
私たちの方でやるときには入った状態で表示されます。
Okay, so new shipping date is already input by logistics, and so in this Windows, just the new shipping date is already imported, which is input by logistics, and
Logistics uses the same tool or a different application there?
Different application. So shipping management application is there.
So that means this JP OMS is only for processing order. Shipment and invoice is handled by a different application.
Yes.
Oh,
Completely different application.
okay.
Yeah, but all the applications are connected to each other, so information can be taken over. で、これはじゃあここでじゃあ出荷チェックとかして、
はい、おかしくなかったら、ここで本来はボタンがあって、
遅延メールを送るための、
っていうボタンがあるので、そこで処理をします。
わかりました。So if delay happens, the delay information is imported here, and the new shipping date comes in the field. And what an operator has to do next is the prepare the order delay email to be sent to a customer. But currently no icon is shown because this is a demo. So if delay order comes, then an operator will process a delay notification, and but button is shown, and the button when button is pushed, then the template is read. And
Which button, Raghu?
No button is
Okay,
shown.
it's not shown. Okay.
Yeah, not shown, but the button will be
Okay.
shown.
But that requires logistics
icon.
to change the status as delayed something.
Yes. So flag should have the in the order then so the application detect the delay, then the button will be shown.
Okay.
じゃあそれをボタンがもし現れたらそれを押して同じ受け所メールみたいに送るってことですかね。
メールが作られて送られます。
Okay, so if delay happens, then
ごめんなさい。
それはあれですよね。オーダーエクセル。
いや、
And Raghu, these emails triggered from JP OMS or that logistics?
Logistics, because so when delay happens, the production divisions notify it to logistics, and then logistics send an email to JP OMS. Not email, sorry. Not it's email. The logistics automatically send it to yeah, order processing operators.
Okay. So JP, not the customer, Raghav.
No. To customer or always an operator in charge of order processing do it.
Oh, okay. So operators will be notified by logistics team. Then
Yes.
operators will further communicate it to the customer.
Yes. Yeah.
How they will communicate? Is it any status change here from JP OMS or by again email?
これは、
うん
なんか遅延が発生したら、その遅延のお知らせをメールでしますけど、なんかステータスとかってないんですよね、遅延の。
遅延のステータス。
内部的には
あ、ウ
持ってる。
ェブ上
はい。ウ
ウェブ上
ェブ上はないと思うんですけど、
うん。
受注システム上では遅延のなんかステータスって持ってる。
さっきのですね、赤くなります。
なるほど。OK, so the あれか。これはアイテムレベルで一本一本見ているっていうことかな。
そうです。これ中部品なので。
Okay, so if delay happens, the items has line like red in the below, lower side.
Yeah. I see.
Yes. So it is a notification of delay.
Oh, okay. So this is sent by the logistics because they changed.
Yes. When there happens, that information will be transferred to the JP OMS side.
Raghu, in above part, okay, this is lower part wherein this red mark is showing. Okay, let's call it that window, that portion as lower part. This above part is having different orders details, right?
Above part is the different item, right? Yeah, different item.
Or is it that here pink color is selected now?
Yes, so now the pink color is selected and the focused item is with strong red color, but pink is delayed item, and so you can find the current date, and the delayed item will have a new shipping date, and new shipping date is shown in the in that field. Lower, yes, that but August 4th, it's a new shipping date.
But both the dates are same, right? In first date is also 4th August.
Yeah. So it is input by logistics.
Okay. Previously the date was not 4th August. Now it is incoming.
Yes.
Yeah, my confusion was just that there are two dates shown, right? In NA, after that there is next, then there is date, then 8, some time is shown, then again date. There are two dates shown.
Okay. So the first date is planned shipping date. The ordinary planned shipping date. But second date is a new shipping date because of the delay.
Both are same, Rogo.
本当だ。
時間が違います。8時と18時。
ここに書いてあるの。あれか。 Windows. Okay, please check the so on the list the data looks like the same, but in the details you can find the ordinary fixed planned date is upper level, and it shows 8 p.m. No, 8 a.m.
Okay, 8 to 18.
Yes, to change date, the change date is 18. So the date is same, but the time is different. So
Different. Okay.
yeah, of course the time is delayed. Then yeah,
Okay.
so just only hours are changed. So not the date change. So that date change is might be a severe, might be more severe.
Oh, okay.
Mm.
Very punctual. Yeah. So, this window was hidden initially. I think this was it always showing. Can you hide this window?
What kind of window? On the
This
right side?
yeah, red color and all that detail is showing, right? Or it is always shown by default.
これ右側のウィンドウ、なんだっけ、注文の、なんだこれ、今、詳細って書いてある中身っていうのは、いつでも、どの注文でも見れるってことなんですよね。注文が遅くならなくても。
はい、何でも見れます。で、遅延
OK
のものだけ、
うん
こうやって増えたと思うんです、1行。
そうですね。空白。面白い。Okay, so each order has the details of order, but the delayed order has different fields like delayed area. Yeah.
Okay.
So new current new date and new dates are shown, and additional buttons are also shown, but I don't know what they are. Yeah, but anyway, only delayed items show the something items different items from others. Mm.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go to last tab, I think.
Okay, so it's for delay.
Oh, okay. That itself was.
Yeah. で、営業確認っていうのはなんか使うんですか？
いや、使わないですね。
Oh, so so secondary one, it is called confirmation by a salesperson, but it is not used. So I don't think it works.
Okay. Yeah, I
So,
was just trying to relate the search filters what we have in ODB and what search filters you have in JP OMS.
yes. Just like a filter to show some orders.
Okay, yeah.
あ、これがチー
So
ム
this
メール。
is not used anywhere, right? Confirmed by sales, like what?
Yeah. It is not used. Okay, so this is a delay not
お客さんへの
delay
連絡です。
notification to send an email for delay information. So customer will receive this kind of email to be notified for delay. And
This is sent by operator or the logistics?
operator.
Operator. Oh.
Yeah.
So further email will be sent.
Yeah, so it is done manually by an operator. これ文章とか全部入ってくるってことですよね。
入ってきます。
はい
さっきの送信ボタン、
うん
今は見えてない送信ボタンが出てきて、
受け書と同じってことですよね。
そうです、受け者と同じです。
So this is like order confirmation email. So template is read and required information will be inserted in the appropriate places. Then an operator will check the content of the email, and when it is confirmed okay, then the send button will be clicked, and it is sent, and the customer will receive this kind of email.
Okay, Raghav.
And Rodrigo, how are quotes handled in JP OMS?
Quote what?
Quotations how are handled in JP OMS?
Sorry, I couldn't hear you well. The quota?
No, quotations.
Quotation?
Quotation.
Okay.
Yeah, quotations.
Okay.
How are they
Quotation?
handled in JP OMS?
これって、なんだっけ、見積もりバージョンってなんかあるんですか？オリゴとか。
ないです。見積もりはそもそも
受け付けてない。
GSY にしかないので。
で、それは GSY は GSY でやってるってことか。
GSY はオリゴ、注文管理と見積もり管理のアプリがあります。
なるほど。そっか。じゃあ、見積もりはノータッチなんですね、受注家さんの方で。
そしては、
Okay, quotation is not treated by operator in charge of the processing here. Just GSY, GSY lab will treat the quotation with the quotation application.
ただ、振り分けは一緒です。
なるほど。So this staging checker has GSY order type, and GSY order type has two types, and order and quotation. So on the left button, it is order, and the right button is quotation. And now quotation, there's no quotation items.
So normally only GSY are quoted.
Right. So Origo is, オリゴって見積もりしてないですね。なんか、
ないです。見積もり来たら全部、
ん
私たちのマニュアルなので、
でもマニュアルでなんかやるってことですか？なんか、
取り込んで価
Excel と
格、
か。
取り込んで価格を貼り付けてみたいな、メールに貼り付けてって感じなので。
なるほど。メールの方でやるってこと
で、
か。
日向さんがフォームはコピペできるようなものを用意してくれてますけど、これを結局メールに貼り付けて、
元はなんで来るんですか？元の、なんつうんだろう。お客さんからこの見積もりしてっていう、これにやったんですか？メール。
ウェブの場合は、
うん
特記事項に書かれてます。メールで来ることの方が多いかな。
なるほど。メールはなんか向こうはテンプレートとか使わないんですよ。
はい、フォーマットに入ったやつが届きます。
そうなんだ。それ営業が送ってるやつなのかな？その見積もりのフォーマットに入力してくださいみたいな。
注文と同じものです。注文の特記事項とか、メールの本文とかに見積もりお願いしますって書いてあるだけ。その違いだけです。
じゃあ、要するにテンプレートの通りにやってくれっていうふうにやってくれるってことですか？
基本的にはここに取り込むのが一番価格が出せるので、時計算よりは正しく出るので、
なるほど。
なので取り込みはするんですけど、ここの、生産に転送をせず、取り込んだ状態でデータだけを、ここからコピーしてメールに貼り付けて、お客さんに返信する感じ。
なるほど。今、すみません、大元の元っていうのは、なんか、メールから今、なんか作ったってことですかね。ごめんなさい、ちょっと。お客さんから今、見積もりの依頼が来ましたと。で、そのフォーマット通りに入れてもらったら、受注システムで何かやることは何かあるん
お
ですか？
客さんからこういうふうに、
はい。
添付の見積もりをいただけないでしょうかって
はいはい
言
はいはい。
うん
はいはい。
で、
This is a quotation in
これ
the
を普通
Excel
に
file.
今の
オーダーフォームか。
はいオーダーフォームをこのまま取り込みます。で、取り込んだものを、こういうふうに貼り付け、メールに本文に貼り付けて、 件名とか整えて、メールで返す感じ。
あ、なるほど。オーダー、
JSY とかとはちょっと違いますね。
そうですね。
うん
どうしよう。Excel オーダー。
こっち
ちょっと
だけど大丈
時
夫ですか。
間がちょっと時間きついですね。次にしますか。次にしましょう。別の機会ですね。
オリゴの見積もりは基本的にもう全部マニュアルで
あ、わかりました。
やってます。
でも、なんか近いの、なんか Excel オーダーシートのインポートとかなり近い感じですよね。
いや、途中までは、取り込みまでは全部注文と一緒です。
取り込みまだ注文ですね。
うん
今日多分 Excel はやってないので、そう、ちょっと別の日に注文 Excel データの取り込みっていうのをやりましょうかね。それで
はい、わかりました。
お願いします。Okay, everyone. And the quotation for Origo order is very similar to the importing order by Excel sheet, Excel order sheet. So, but now time is almost up, and we will have a chance to explain the Excel order sheet order to import to JP OMS. So along with it, we will add the Origo quotation. The process is mostly similar to the order Excel sheet. So today, we are going to
Sure. Yeah.
finalize today's demonstration.
True. Yeah.
Is
We have
there,
already
so any questions? Yeah.
Yeah, Raghu, I think we left that order in the middle. Have we processed it?
Okay.
Complete?
何ですか今、オーダー途中でしたっけ
これ、今、ここに画面に出てるやつ途中ですね。
ちょっとじゃあ、寸前までやりましょうか。それを。
取り込んですぐにキャンセルしていいですか？
はい、もちろんです。
受け書まで送る感じでいいですか？
はい、受け書も送る感じで、はい、お願いします。Okay, we are going to proceed in order to the end. And it is checked, and click the confirm.
そうだ、ごめんなさい。ここが勝手に入ります。自動計算されて。
Okay, shipping date is set automatically.
Okay.
これは注文の種類によってってことですよね。
And Raghu, how it is calculated? Like.
Yeah, I am asking the same.
Okay.
はい。注文によって。
So TAT calculation is set in this database. Yeah, database.
アプリです。
Application. And yeah, so これ結構初めて見るな。So this has all the TAT information for Origo and これオリゴだけですかとりあえず。
はい、オリゴしか。
This is for Origo. And based on the order item, this automatically calculated. So this has all the formulas.
Okay.
So maybe calculated by designator purification scale and delivery format.
Yeah. That 6 and 35, what we are seeing, is that the number of days, date range or something?
Okay, this is なんだこれ、最
そうで
短。
す。社長です。
This is the
レン
length
ジ
of
あたり。
days.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay,
So
yeah.
6, the shortest length, and the longest length is the next 35.
Oh, length. Okay.
Length, yes. And next to the longest length is TAT.
Okay, if the range is from 6 to
Turnaround time.
35,
Yeah. And the
it
1
is
day?
1 day time.
これ1日ってことですよね。1日。
はい。
One day. Yeah, it takes one day to complete production.
Okay, okay.
Mm.
Okay, yeah. Yeah,
So
we were
based
trying
on
to
this,
implement this
yeah,
on
yes,
DVO.
on timetables, calculation is done. In the basis of the date, or order date.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, these tabs, what she's clicking, I think has various options. Once the order is searched,
Mhm.
yeah,
And
various activities can be done here.
So this is the main fields are shown. Order date and yes, and so on. But customer ID, the date to be press order date and shipping date and so on. The name and what the Saturday delivery was
あー
Sunday delivery was で。
お届け日はシッピングじゃなくてアライブです。
あ、そうだ、出荷日だった。ごめんなさい。Oh, this date is an arrival date.
Ah, okay, so tomorrow.
一番遅いものでした。
あれ、さっきの納期によって、アライバル、なんだっけ、到着日が決まるってことでいいですかね。
そうですね。
出荷日に関しては、なんか前に出荷日の時間をどっかで設定したと思うんですけど、なんか
うん
8時とか22時とか、違う、ごめんなさい、8時、18時、22時かな。
日通に変えると、ここが日通に変わると、
Okay, so this is a delivery by sales, but if the needs delivery service is selected, then the shipping date and arrival date are calculate. Yeah, so shipping date is set as the 8 August 6 at 4 a.m. Then the arrival date is calculated based on the TAT table. So the one day will take thenこれはいつか
3日です。
?5
5
日か。
です。
Okay. すいません。So August 5th is set for arrival date.
Okay.
Yeah. So in the case of Nitsu delivery service, the shipping date and the arrival date are shown here.
Yeah. And
Just
those buttons were green color. Yeah.
left side, green colors,
Like
green
all
color.
4, I think. Yeah, 4 buttons are
Ah.
there.
ここは、
あ
再計算、自動で再計算してくれます。分割、こっちは全部を一番遅い日に合わせてくれます。
再計算なんとか分類。
分割。はい。
分割。これ分納ってことですか？なんだろう、分割って。
今みたいに、こうやって取り込みをしたときに、
うん
出荷が変わってくると、バイクだと時間も変わるんですよね。
ああ、なるほど。
そうすると、これを押すと、こうやってバイクで4時って勝手に計算し直してくれるんです。ここを例えば変えると。これだと、都内のバイクだと、8時なので、計算し直してくれる。
ここで計算をし直すとか、わかりました。
はい。
じゃあちょっと出荷の方に戻ってもらっていいですか。Okay, so this is the setting for shipping, and if shipping method is changed, like so bike and bike D2 delivery services. So delivery service is changed, then the next tab should be calculated by this button. So でこのボタンを押すと、when this button is clicked, then the calculation is experimented.
Okay.
Then the ship date and the arrival date will be recalculated and changed based on the shipping tab. shipping method. Yeah.
はい。
ありがとうございます。
はい。
じゃあ次へ進みましょう。
あ、こっち大丈夫ですか？
なんか説明をしてもらえれば。
ここはいくらでも手でいじられるので、
うん。なるほど。
これを1本だけ変えて、1本だけ変えたらそれに全部を合わせるっていうボタンなので、ちょっと1本しか注文がないと。
なるほど。So the if ship date is changed like she selects the date of in the calendar, then yeah this product has a different ship date, if other items also will have the same ship date, then the button she select she is going to select is the reflect to other items for ship date, for new ship date. So this is for only one item, but this button is reflected to other items.
Okay. Just it's like apply below. We have
Apply to the
below.
other items. So this is for ship date, and the next button is for arrival date.
Okay.
で、債券算一括っていうのはこれ全部ってことかな？
これは、はい。再計算一括は、バラバラなものを一括、一番遅いものに合わせます。
なるほど。So the lower right button is apply the ship date and arrival reflect the other items, but adjust with the latest date.
Okay.
So it can be reflected to all other items.
Okay. Yeah.
ありがとうございます。じゃあ、次に。
確認でいっちゃっていいですか？
はい、OK です。
確認します。で、転送します。今この状態で、ステータスは、製造中に変わったはずです。
何中？
製造中？インプロダクション。
Okay. So when she clicks the transfer to the product, algorithms, then the process is changed to in production from confirmed.
Okay. But ecom side it.
Ecom side, yes, it's synced with ecom.
Oh, okay. So I can check this status in ecom.
あれ、もうこれって実際とあれ。
今データ飛んでます。
飛んでます。Kaida, you can check the status on your order history.
Okay. Yeah.
あれすぐ反映するんでしたっけ？
はい。
なんか時間かかるとかあったかな。
It is, I think, in the same that confirmed state is there. Okay. Should I expect that manufacturing begins like that?
Yeah. In production. Yes. It should be changed to in production.
Okay. It's not updated yet. Maybe it will take some time. Yeah.
I think so.
漢字で製造開始とか。
Okay. So, Kaida, you can find the characters, Japanese characters, no? It is translated automatically. So just but actually it is still confirmed, right?
Yeah, correct. If I
okay.
translate also in Japanese.
Okay, okay. とにかくステータス変わってないみたいです。
Okay, it says order completed. If I translate.
オーダーコンまだあれですね。注文したばっかりの時ですね。要は受注した時の状
Yeah,
態
yeah.
だ。
Chumon.
Yes, yes. So, I think this is just order is confirmed.
Yeah.
So
Status.
it should be move to the next status because it is transferred to Gorimus and it is in production. On the JP OMS.
Oh, okay. Yeah. But it's not.
It's not
Yeah.
changed.
Yeah, fine.
あれなんで変わってないんだあれなんでですかねなん
なんでですよね。
テストオーダーだからそんなことないのかな
更新してるんですよね。
いつもテストの時はこういう風なやり方をしてますもんね。
はい、それぐらいのタイミングで変わってますね。
Okay, Kaiser, so when we test the order status, order history, then we do the same like this. So when an operator clicks button of the transfer to Gorimus, then it is already transferred to Gorimus, and production is already started. So after maybe a couple of minutes, the status must be changed to in production.
Okay.
Not yet.
更新したのかなってことですよね。
So you did the super reload or something.
Okay. I'll try that. Yeah, Rogo, you can proceed.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, we assume it is already in production status.
Okay. So,
じゃあとりあえず
So-
これであれですかね、キャンセルして終わりってことですかかな
あ、アプリケーションまで送っちゃいますよ。
受け所までお願いします。
大丈夫ですかステータスの方、もういいですか
もうしょうがないね。なんかトラブルということで。Okay, so status should be changed, but not yet. So yeah, we need to process the operation.
Yeah.
So she is going to send an email to you, the other order confirmation. いいですよ。お願いします。
So my order is in Golems, is it?
Yes.
Okay. And Rogo, this will have any EESB messages or it's not sending any?
You can check it EGSP.
Yeah.
I think so she cannot check the status of Golems.
Yeah, I'm checking.
Okay, thanks. Mo 送りました今。
はい、送りました。
Okay, Kaiser, you will receive an email from the JP OMS. Yeah.
Yes, received Rogo. Yeah.
Okay, so that is successfully done. Status is not, unfortunately. で、あれか、キャンセルする、これからキャンセルって感じですか
はい、
ね。
キャンセルします。ちょっと。
Okay, she will cancel the order.
Okay. After sending to Golems also, if we are canceling, it is.
Yes, so she told us it can be canceled even in the Gorimus. Just it is not a long time. It didn't take a long time after it is transferred to Gorimus.
Okay. So it
こうやっ
should
て
be.
時間経っちゃうともう行っちゃうってことなんですよね。ゴリムスの方に。もう生産に入っちゃうってことですよね。ちょっと時間わかんないですけど。
はい。まあ、入って5分、10分ですぐには作らないと思うので。
ありがとうございます。
今ぐらいだったらまだ。で、キャンセルします。
She will cancel the order. Now, so the pop-up appears, and yeah, yes, why? Then it is cancelled. Okay, です。cancel しましょう。So your candidate's order is cancelled. Has been cancelled now.
Okay.
Okay, so your order items are transferred to Gorimus actually, but it will take about 10 minutes to start production. So she can cancel it before it is produced.
Okay.
So when the order is cancelled in the JP OMS, then the あれこれゴリムスにトランスファー、転送したやつもキャンセル信号がゴリムスに行くってことなんですかね。
はい。
Okay, she check. Oh, so Gorimus data checker is launched now, and
Okay.
oh, so this is two lists, and the first list is when data is transferred at 5:17
Okay.
today, and the next line is cancelled status, and the date is 5:24 in JST. So each of item has what XML data, and so so there are several tags to be transferred, and second one is already canceled. Then the cancel status is in the order XML, not order, maybe in the in the XML.
Okay. Even this cancel status will be reflected to ecom.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
あれ、キャンセルも反映しますよね、オーダーステータス。
もちろん。
ですよね。
はい。
Okay, yes, yeah. So, Kaiser, so your order status will show cancel.
Okay. It's still in the same status.
Really? Oh my.
Uh,
So, the
okay. Now I think something changed. It says, but it's not cancel. It says manufacturing begins. Maybe there is a delay, Rago. It's updating.
Okay, yeah. So maybe, yes, staging database exchanges the data, and maybe event XML, and so status change can also be exchanged, but it is not reflected on your ecom side yet. So there is a delay as well.
Yeah.
So, but you can find the next stage, in production or manufactured.
Yeah.
And so you will get the status cancelled.
Okay. Oh,
So, I hope it will be done soon.
yeah, it will be done. Yeah, I can see my old orders status are like cancelled. So I know.
Yeah, so as she checked on the application, it is correctly cancelled on the Corimus side. So so when she cancelled on the JP OMS, it is the result is transferred to Gorimus, and as she checked with the Gorimus data checker, it shows it is cancelled.
Okay. So once the order is sent to Golims, still we can cancel it from JP OMS as well as from Golims.
Yes. ゴリムスからでもキャンセルできるんですよね、確かこれ。
OMS からキャンセル
できないのか。できないのか。
OMS からキャンセルは勝手には多分できないと思います。
So Gorimus is not allowed to cancel it because it is controlled by JPOMS only.
Oh, so if we want to cancel, then JP OMS only we use to
Yes,
cancel.
yes. Yeah. So Gorimus can cancel it. Then some items can be skipped.
Okay.
Yeah, without permissions. So
Ah.
it is not allowed, I guess. So for the actual from the actual customer's order.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, the order can be identified as a customer order or test order, but generally it must not be cancelled by Golem's its side.
In Golems, Raghu, they will not get customer information. They only get the order details, is it?
さっきのデータのチェックとやつって、なんか顧客の情報とかも行くんでしたっけ？
顧客の情報
うん。ゴレムスに行ってる情報っていうのは、
あ、そんなことですか？
はい。中身どんなのゴレムスと見たことない。いけますね。
ウェブ注文じゃなくて、この中身ですね。
うん。この中身。いや、何の中身が言ってるかだけを見たいなと思って、はい、この XML の中身。そう、じゃあ、
Excel で入れたデータだと思う。
うん。The Golem's data, receiver data with order ID and ship to and so on. Maybe most of data is transferred. ちょっと軽くスクロールしてもらって。Sort ID is also sent. Yeah. So most of data is sent.
Okay. First name, last name, I think those are.
Yeah. Of course, the contact ID, contact information is also sent. Yeah. This is only sent to ship to address だけですね。なんか。ship to だけか。でもオーダー、sort ID も入ってるな。で、confirmation date、オーダー。じゃあちょっと申し訳ない。もうちょっと下がってもらって。ペイメントオプションも入ってる。フィルメントも入ってるな。お願いし、ちょっと、なんか、下がって、また、ゆっくり下がってもらっていいですか。少しずつ、どんどん先行ってしまって大丈夫です。すごい、なんか、パンチアウトとかも入ってる。面白い。ビジネスユニットも入ってるね。なんだろう、ありがとうございます。ここからオーダーの内容、あれですね。オーダーアイテムの内容。Okay. I think the except contact information, this this XML has most of the information from order XML. I didn't find the contact information there, but on the order ID and ship to information is included in this order this XML. I think something is different from the actual order XML, but most of the data is samely transferred to columns. Yeah. I don't think it's completely the same.
Yeah. Okay, Raghu, then I think.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, it is taking over 3 hours. So I'd like to wind up the call. If any questions you have, then let me know, and in the different regular call and something else. And we will hold additional demonstration like webless order. Order XML importing is already done. So Excel order sheet order is good for the next demonstration.
Yeah. Okay, Raghu.
And also sort assignment.
Yes.
じゃあ南條さんすいません。次もう一回申し訳ないんですけど、次の回で、オーダー、Excel でのオーダー取り込みっていうところと、あと、取引先番号の、紐付け。
はい。
はい。をちょっとお願いしたいなと思ってます。
セケンスと GSY は。セケンスと GSY の取り込みとかは大丈夫ですか？
あ、ごめんなさい。何の取り込み？
オリゴ以外。
オリゴ以外も知りたいですね。でもそうですね。シーケンスと GSY の一般的なやり方のところだけ、そうですね。そこもお願いします。じゃあ、
はい。
ちょっと次の回、申し訳ないです。ちょっと
はい
今日も長くなりましたけど。すいませんです。Okay, everyone. We will plan the next demonstration with different order from Origo, like sequencing and GSY. And additionally, the sort ID assignment and Webless order, like Excel order sheet importing to JP OMS. So 3 items will be planned for the next demonstration. So yeah, I will arrange it later. So yeah, so of course, firstly, I have to check the Mickey's schedule because operators always in the hustle. So I need to check the available date from Mickey and with other operators as well. Okay.
True. Yes. Sure.
Sure.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
And my order status is also updated.
Good.
Yeah. And Rico, we are including quote also in the next demo.
Sure. どうしよう。南條さん、もう、あれ、なんだっけ。オリゴの一応、じゃあ、見積もりはちょこっと見せられます？なんか、あと、次の、オリゴの見積もりって、
でも取り込むだけなんですよね。
オーダーシートの取り込みをして、それをベースにメールで送るだけってことです。
それだけです。はい。
わかりました。じゃあいいや、それは。じゃあ GSY はあっちの GSY に頼まないとダメですよね。
GSY は GSY じゃないと、大型さんじゃないと。
はい、わかりました。
はい。
Okay, so quotation for GSY order will be done by a different person. The Ogata-san will take care of it.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah. But using same application, right?
Different. GSY, GSY quotation application.
Oh,
Quote application? Yeah. So there are several applications in the in several business units.
Okay.
So so operators for the processing treat all the orders, but after they are processed, each of items are produced in each lab. Yeah, and regarding quotation, it is treated in a different division like GSY lab.
Okay.
Okay, so
Raghu, I will cancel today's meeting. I will not.
Yeah, please.
And just a small quick update, Raghu. Separate from the activity, what we do.
Separation by production order level, you mean?
Yeah.
On UAT side?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks. Yeah. じゃあ、南條さんすいません。長々とありがとうございました。非常に助かりました。私もとても勉強になりました。インドも非常に勉強になっていると思います。Okay, everyone, today's demonstration is ended up. And so as I mentioned, next demonstration will be planned. So I will let you know once it is fixed by arranging with people concerned. Okay, thank you for taking your time today as well, and see you next time. ありがとうございました。今日はこちらでおしまいです。すいません。じゃあまた次の会話また調整させてください。よろしくお願いします。
はい。
ありがとうございました。Okay, thank you all, and see you next time.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, Mickey, for the nice demonstration, and Rago, nice translation. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. See you. Bye bye.
See you.
Right.
Bye.
See you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.